The next question, show that the relation capital R in the set A of all the books in a library of a college. So set is defined as all the books in the library of a college given by R is equal to set ordered pair XY such that X and Y have the same number of pages. We are selecting R, that means the element in R, in such a way that X and Y have same number of pages. If I am selecting a book of 250 pages, that book, comma, the second one will be an element of R if the first book and the second book contains the same number of pages. Okay, that is a condition. And we have to check whether it is an equivalence relation or not. So to check whether it is an equivalence relation, we have to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, isn't it? So we will check one by one. To prove the reflexivity, what is the condition? A comma A must be an element of R. Okay, the relation is they have X and Y have the same number of pages. If I am taking a book A, named A, it will be, suppose it is having 10 pages. Okay, then the next A will be also the same book which is having 10 pages. That means A comma A element of R. Okay, therefore R is reflexive. Then what about the symmetricity? If I am taking A comma B element of R, to check the symmetricity, what we have to prove is B comma A element of R. If A and B are A comma B element of R, the condition is A and B have same number of pages. That is the relation given in the question. Okay, then what about B comma A? B comma A will also be an element of R. To be a member of R, the only condition is they have the same number of pages. We already took A and we have books having same number of pages. Then BA automatically will be an element of R, which implies R is symmetric. Okay. Again, to prove the transitivity, we will consider A comma B element of R. A comma B element of R means A and B have the same number of pages. To check the transitivity, we have to take one more element, B comma C element of R. If B comma C element of R, there also the condition arises B and C have the same number of pages. So by taking A, B and C, it is clear that A, B and C have the same number of pages. Then it is clear that A comma C also element of R. Why A comma C element of R? We came to know that we took the element A and B such that A and B are the books with same number of pages. B and C are also books with the same number of pages. Then automatically A and C will also be having same number of pages, which implies A comma C element of R, which comes to the conclusion that R is transitive. The question was not to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric or transitive. It was to check whether it is an equivalence relation. So the answer must be, we have to write R is an equivalence relation as it is symmetric, transitive and reflexive. Okay.